I worked my way up to the Nightingale Mine again because the road's a lot drier than when I was up here last year. In fact, I was able to come up in two-wheel drive without a problem. Now, I didn't walk around much because it was really muddy last time, if you watched the video. And I didn't want to track mud onto my feet and stuff, so this is why I came up this time. Now, here's some kind of a cabin, maybe a couple cabins. Now, I don't know when this mine was active. I don't know much about it. But as you can see, it's there's some actual galvanized piping in the ground right there. It looks like cement. A lot of rusty nails. Some birds chirping in the distance. This thing, I think that was the floor. I'm not real sure. And this here looks like it was partially built into the ground. As you can see, it goes down a little bit. But the roof is long collapsed. And I ain't going down there. Besides, it looks like we can film it from right up here. It almost looks like, well, either the dirt was supposed to be on top, maybe as an insulator, or it washed over the years, but I don't know. I mean, if you look like right here, I don't see how the dirt could have washed uphill. So I'm thinking the dirt was put over the roof as an insulation. Yeah, pretty crazy. And there's the Suburban there. Gotta get that right. And over there, there's like a little water tower that's built into the side of the hill. And then the mine is actually up over that way towards the sun. And we're gonna go up there. There should be some foundations over there I'm gonna try to get to. And then we're just gonna kind of play it by ear. But yeah. Alrighty, sun's out. Now this looks like the spot that we camped at before back in the 90s. It's been a lot of years since I've been out here and walking around, but yeah, this definitely looks like it. This is a pretty decent windbreak. We're facing west right now. So the winds here normally come from the west. So we had camped here a couple times back in the 90s. But as you can see, this is one way. The tunnel come through here. I don't know if this collapsed naturally, if it was done on purpose. I really just have no idea. To get down the side here and too fast. It goes down a ways, and no, I'm not going to go down there. I like my life. I'm also very claustrophobic, so yeah, I avoid dangerous holes. Keep a kind of tilt back here. Got my new gimbal and I've been working it out. But then there's a bigger one that way. So we're gonna walk over there now. There might be people who walk down the side of these things. Like I said, I'm not overly big about walking into holes, being claustrophobic, and I'm fairly severe claustrophobic. Here's some weird birds behind me. There used to be a camper shell thing that sat here years ago, and I said back in the 90s. Sitting back here, I don't know why. Maybe somebody was using it as a little cabin, you know, getting up underneath there out of the weather. It's fairly rocky. So, breathing heavy because I'm out of shape. This is week 3 of the shutdown in Nevada. So I've been mostly just sitting at home gaining weight. Oh, this is kind of cool, but yeah. See up there? See right about there? Looks pretty cool. No holes here, but it does go up that way. But I don't think I'm going to try walking up that. So yeah, it's like a little cave. I don't think it's very safe. I'm almost right at the entrance now of the overhang. Let's see if I can get this up there. That's the overhang. So yeah, it's kind of neat. Another, it looks like a water tower. Only partial one up on top of that. I don't know. Maybe some kind of vent shaft. Yes, I don't know. And it goes on up over there. You can see through there. Very kind of neat, but also probably very dangerous. That's why they always warn you in Nevada, you know, stay out of the mines and stuff, because I'm sure people get trapped in them. Then you see up, like right there, they got barbed wire fence line. That, I guess, is to keep people from accidentally walking off the edge or driving off the edge into these gullies. Maybe this camp, kind of pretty. Got some sand there, sand's been running through it. We're gonna go over there to the foundations. Actually, I think I'm just gonna walk over. Kind of neat. You can see the mountains way off over there. That's somewhere out by Fallon.